Chapter 1. Computer Hardware Components. Computer hardware. The parts of the computer that can be touched and seen are called hardware. The hardware parts in a computer system are formed by all the input, processing, output and storage devices. The computer case is an enclosure that contains most of the hardware components of a computer. It is also called a computer chassis. Internal hardware. The hardware components which are inside the computer case are known as internal hardware. Internal hardware components are motherboard. A motherboard, also known as a printed circuit board, PCB, is the backbone connectivity point for the central communications of the computer. It is the point where all the components and external peripherals connect. CPU. The central processing unit, CPU, is a chip that is placed inside the CPU box which is known as the processor. It is also known as the brain of the computer that is responsible for all the work that a computer does, such as calculations, running programs, controlling operations and instructions. Disk drive. A disk drive allows the computer to read from and write on the computer disk. Examples of disk drives include hard disk drives, HDD, CD drive, DVD drive, etc. Switched mode power supply, SMPS. SMPS controls the power supply of the computer system. It is also called the power supply unit of the computer. It is an electric circuit that converts power through switching devices that are turned on and off at a high frequency. SMPS provides very high efficiency and is also known as switching mode power supply. Ports. A port is a physical plugging point or a slot on the motherboard through which an external device can be connected to the computer. There can be various types of ports that connect internal as well as external components of the computer system. The different types of ports are serial port. A serial port is also known as a communication port. It is used to connect external devices such as a modem, mouse, or keyboard to older PCs. It transfers data at the speed of 115 kilobytes per second. There are two versions of serial ports. One is a 9-pin model and the other one is a 25-pin model. Parallel port. Parallel port is also known as print port or line printer port, LPT. This port is used to connect printers and scanners. It transmits several bits of information at the same time because it uses parallel communication. It transfers data at a much higher speed than the serial port. It is a 25-pin model. Universal Serial Bus, USB. A USB is a new kind of serial port that can connect all kinds of devices such as hard disk drives, printers, scanners, mouse, keyboards, etc. It transfers data at the speed of 12 megabits per second. PS-by-2 port. PS-by-2 ports were used to connect keyboards and mouse to older PCs. Now that purpose is served by USB ports. It is a 6-pin DIN connector. Video graphics array, VGA, port. VGA ports are used to connect monitor to the video card of the computer. It has 15 holes similar to a serial port connector. The only difference between VGA ports and serial ports is that the serial port connectors have pins in them. Ethernet port. An Ethernet port is used to connect a network cable to the computer. Modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It is a hardware device that connects a computer to the internet via a telephone cable or a wireless medium. It converts digital data into analog and vice versa. The conversion of digital signals into analog signals is known as modulation, while the conversion of analog signals into digital signals is known as demodulation. External hardware. The hardware components that are located outside the computer case are called external hardware. External hardware components are classified into input, output, and storage devices. Input devices. The computer system consists of the following input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that is used for typing numbers, letters, and special characters. There are 5 types of keys on a keyboard. Alphanumeric keys are used to type letters A to Z. They are not present in the alphabetical order. Function keys F1 to F12 are used to perform specific tasks. Number keys are used for typing numbers. These keys are present above the top row of the alphabet keys and also present on the right side of the keyboard. Special keys have more special keys such as space bar key, caps lock key, backspace key, shift key, enter key, symbol keys and tab key. Navigation keys such as cursor control keys, arrow keys, home key, end key, control, alt, page up, page down, delete, insert etc. Control, alt, Windows key, escape, end, enable additional control over a document or computer. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that is used to send instructions to the computer by clicking on the buttons. It is helpful in selecting and moving items on the computer. There are two types of mouse. A mechanical mouse is a computer hardware input device made up of a metal or rubber ball at its base. When the mouse is moved, the ball rolls and sensors detect the movement of the ball. Then, the information is signaled to the cursor on the screen. The mechanical mouse has now been replaced by the optical mouse. Optical mouse is an advanced pointing device that uses a light-emitting diode (LED), an optical sensor and digital signal processing (DSP). Unlike a traditional mouse, this mouse detects the movement on the basis of changes in the reflected light. Scanner. A scanner is a device that reads text or images and converts them into digital data, which is then sent to the computer. Some different types of scanners are handheld scanner. These are small scanners that are easily portable from one place to another. Handheld scanners are very lightweight devices that enable us to scan physical documents and convert them into digital format. Flatbed scanner. A flatbed scanner uses a flat surface to scan documents. It has a flip cover to protect the flat glass surface. It is the most popular and cost-effective scanner. Drum scanner. Drum scanners are the most expensive scanners. These scanners capture the highest resolution of an image. Drum scanners use photo multiplier technology, PMT, which is used to print high-quality images. Web camera. A web camera is an input device that captures pictures or videos and transfers them to the computer system. The webcam or web camera is usually built-in, but it can also be attached separately to the computers. Microphone. A microphone is a device that is used to record voice, music or sounds and store them on the computer. Joystick. A joystick is used to play games on a computer. It sends direction and movement data to the computer system. Touchscreen. A touchscreen allows the user to enter data directly into the computer with just the touch of a finger. It can also be said that it replaces the mouse since it performs the same functions as a mouse. Output devices. The computer system consists of the following output devices. Monitor. A monitor is also known as a visual display unit, VDU. It displays the processed output on the screen as a soft copy. The displayed output is made up of numerous small dots known as pixels. The different types of monitors are cathode ray tube, CRT, monitor, liquid crystal display, LCD, monitor, thin film transistor, TFT, monitor, light emitting diode, LED, monitor, touchscreen monitor, plasma screen monitor, OLED monitor, printer. A printer displays the output onto a sheet of paper, also known as a hard copy. Printers are categorized into two types based on their functioning. Impact printers require direct physical contact with the paper. These printers conduct printing by the impact of ink ribbon and paper. Impact printers are generally loud, but they are still in use. Some examples are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, line printer, etc. Non-impact printers require no direct physical contact with the paper. These printers use laser, electrostatic, chemical, inkjet or xerographic technology. Non-impact printers generally do not make any noise. These printers are more efficient because of their speed and low maintenance. Some examples are inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer, etc. Speaker. Speakers can be used to listen to music, voice or any sounds. We can connect them to the computer and play a song, video or movie. Projector. A projector displays the data from a computer onto a large screen or surface for the audience to see. Projectors are used in classrooms, office meetings, cinema halls, etc. Storage devices. There are the following storage devices. Hard disk. A hard disk is permanently fixed into a computer system and it can be used to store a large amount of data. It is a flat, circular plate constructed from aluminum or glass, coated with a magnetic layer that is fixed on the motherboard and has varying storage capacities. It can store 5 terabits or even more amount of data. External hard disks can also be connected to the computer for additional storage. Compact Disc Read-Only Memory, CD-ROM. A CD is an external storage device that can hold up to 700 megabytes of data. It can store any kind of information, but we cannot change the pre-recorded information on the CD. There are two types of CD-ROM: CDR, compact disc recordable, and CDRW, compact disc rewritable. Digital Versatile Disc, DVD. A DVD is an optical disc similar to a CD, but it can store a large amount of data. DVDs are widely used for storing any kind of digital information. The data transmission rate of a DVD is 15 times faster than that of a CD. The DVD can hold up to 17 gigabytes of data. Some types of DVDs are DVD-R, DVD-RW, DVD plus R, DVD plus RW, etc. Pen drive. A pen drive is a small storage device that is portable. It can store more data than a CD or a DVD. The pen drive can have a storage capacity of up to 1 TB. The storage capacity of a pen drive is more than a DVD but less than a hard disk. It can be easily carried anywhere. Let us recall. The parts of the computer that can be touched and seen are called hardware. The hardware parts in a computer system are formed by all the input, processing, output and storage devices. The hardware components which are inside the computer case are known as internal hardware. A motherboard, also known as a printed circuit board, PCB, is the backbone connectivity point for the central communications of the computer. SMPS controls the power supply of the computer system. It is also called the power supply unit of the computer. A port is a physical plugging point or a slot on the motherboard through which an external device can be connected to the computer. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It is a hardware device that connects a computer to the internet via a telephone cable or a wireless medium. The hardware components that are located outside the computer case are called external hardware. A scanner is a device that reads text or images and converts them into digital data, which is then sent to the computer. Impact printers require direct physical contact with the paper. These printers conduct printing by the impact of ink, ribbon, and paper. Non-impact printers require no direct physical contact with the paper. These printers use laser, electrostatic, chemical, inkjet, or xerographic technology. A hard disk is permanently fixed into a computer system and it can be used to store a very large amount of data.